Hey guys, I'm John Malecki and you're watching Tools in Action. Check me out on Instagram and YouTube, John Malecki.
Hey, what's up? Eric from... What's up, Eric? Mechanical Hub for Tools in Action. Check out this new chop saw by
Next to
DeWALT.
concrete saw.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna cut pipe with the dang thing. Is
Are
what
you
I'm
serious?
gonna do with it.
I don't
Heck
think
yeah.
you can. Not with that.
Not with this blade.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Water, takes water.
Yes. Yeah, water. You got a valve here, turn it on and off. Blade, wrench in the battery compartment. Right there.
Wow.
That's sweet.
In April, they said?
Yes,
April.
front half next year.
All right, you guys, April, and how deep of concrete can you cut with it?
3 1/4.
3 1/4. Tools in Action, you guys. Quiet, this compressor is from Hitachi. Ready? It's on. You can't even hear it. Cool stuff. Abby, when's this coming out? January, you guys. About $150 roughly, right?
Yeah.
Good stuff, you guys. Hitachi, check it out.
Very cool.
What's up, you guys? Really fast. We're here in Austin, Texas, and I just thought this is the craziest thing. I've seen these before. Look at these big drains. I don't know. We're from Chicago, and we don't have this. If we did, kids would be falling down them. I mean, literally, like animals, kids. That's the craziest drain system I've ever seen, right? Why is there no grates there? Tell me. Comment below. Tools in Action.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.